Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Tron TRX crypto. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price that's occurring in the TRX? What is the next move of TRX? And what is the latest update of TRX? In this video I will share with all the update of TRX crypto with all of you friends. So keep watching this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the TRX. 0.120046 USD dollar price as the current price of the TRX. On the other hand, if we look the price change occur in the TRX, so as you can see the price is occur in the TRX, the last 1 hour price change as positive, except after the last 1 hour the whole changes occur in the TRX as negative. What's the reason behind it? Why the price change as negative? Let's see the price chart for more details for better understanding friends. As you can see here, if you look the previous time changes occur in the TRX. So as you can see here, if you look the chart of TRX, so over and over falling occur in the TRX, so the price is going down minute by minute, hour by hour, the price is fast down friends. So friends, why the price is fast down? That's only one reason, because the short-term investor, especially the short-term investor, going to sell share by TRX rapid at this time friends, because they want profit and they take her profit from the TRX and go away from the market friends after taking the benefit friends. So now at this time, what should we do as it is time to buy, sell, or hold friends? As you can see here, now if you look the currently situation of the TRX, as you can see here, now as I told you that the last 1 hour pricing is positive, so that means that the TRX start jumping again friends, and I hope that TRX very soon start pumping friends. What's your prediction? My prediction about TRX is very positive. I think that in the last half 2021 they can easily hit a $1 dollar friends. So what's your prediction about TRX? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel friends. And friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the last one day, negative 13.57% changes occur in the TRX in the last one day, and the highest price is 0.139983 USD dollar is the highest price of the TRX friends. So what's your prediction? Tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.